talked about making videos 2 or 3 minutes first, just to see maybe they get views and things like that.
Yeah, you can do that to test the market. Like, especially if you're a beginner into this, shorter videos are easier to make, quicker to make, cheaper to make. So you can do that and test like how your production flow will go. But once you get monetized, you kind of want 8-minute plus videos, because if you have an 8-minute video, you can put mid-roll ads on your videos, and that will make you way more money. That will increase your CPM and RPM by a lot.
Yep. Okay. Yep. That's good. I'll go through that. Start going through that tomorrow.
So Darren, what I recommend you do if you start in the school program now, like first go through the premium course, which has the whole strategy and system to find niches, make your channel, do SEO, hire your team and everything. And also templates that you can use to hire people to do your SEO descriptions and all that. And then I would also go through all the past group coaching calls we did. So this is group coaching call number, I think, 12 already.
Okay, yep, all right.
And on these calls, we just cover a lot of questions that people have when starting their channels, and just the problems they face when starting their channels, basically, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so that's what I would do.
Yep, thank you.
And then during watching that course and watching the group call replays, take notes, especially of niches that you are thinking about getting into, do's and don'ts when starting, and just get creative with the niches that you can get into. That's the main thing here.
So when you're doing the 2 and 3 minute videos just to test a market, is that where you do like 5 different markets and you see which one sort of moves quick?
You can do that, but I would in your per channel, I would do like one market format basically.
Yeah.
And then you can do different, depending on your budget and how quick you want to go. You can start multiple channels and test different niches or formats for videos.
Yeah.
And then you can maybe hit gold quicker on a specific niche, right? It just increases your chances of finding a winning niche quickly, but it's still not guaranteed. It just can help you find that winning niche quicker. Yeah,
no, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. No,
just like with Amazon, like testing products, right? Like the more you test, the quicker you find a winner.
Yeah.